Under the same sky that guided Zeno of Citium centuries ago, we embark on a voyage through Greece, not just to witness its natural beauty, but to engage in a dialogue with the past and embrace the Stoic ideals that still echo in its lands. Welcome to Greece, a place where the ancient wisdom of Stoicism finds its roots and the landscape invites deep reflection on the nature of life, virtue, and the universe. Greece, where sun-bleached ruins stand resilient against time and the Aegean Sea endlessly caresses the shore, offers much more than a scenic escape. For the Stoic traveler, it is a land of profound discoveries, both external and internal. The enduring wisdom of ancient philosophers permeates the air, and as you move through these lands, you're reminded of the Stoic principle that all things come and go, yet the pursuit of virtue remains eternal. Your journey begins in Athens, the cradle of Western philosophy and home to the thinkers who shaped the world. Here, in the shadow of the Acropolis, one might reflect on the Stoic teaching of apathy of freedom from the passions while gazing at the Parthenon, a testament to the transitory nature of human endeavors. Walk the streets where Socrates once questioned and ponder the Stoic notion of focusing only on what is within your control, letting the rest pass like the wind through these ancient stones. From Athens, we venture to Delphi, a place where in ancient times, seekers came to consult the oracle. For a Stoic, Delphi represents not the search for prophecy, but the quest for self-knowledge. The words inscribed on its temple of Apollo, "Know thyself," are a reminder to continually examine your life, your intentions, and your actions. Stand here, where many have asked life's deepest questions, and reflect on the Stoic practice of prosaic, mindful awareness of the present moment. Farther north, the towering rocks of Meteora beckon, with their ancient monasteries suspended in the sky. Like the cliffs themselves, Stoic resilience rises above the tumult of life. Meteora's lofty isolation invites contemplation of ataraxia, the tranquil state of mind that Stoics strive for. As the monks sought peace in these high places, you too can find stillness amidst the grandeur of nature, understanding that, as Epictetus taught, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. The Peloponnese, land of Sparta, offers a Stoic lesson in endurance. The Spartans, known for their discipline, embodied the Stoic ideal of ascesis, training the mind and body to withstand hardships. Explore the remnants of this ancient city, where strength and self-mastery were revered, and reflect on how these values endure in the Stoic path of self-improvement. Let the quiet beauty of the landscape remind you that true strength lies in character, not in outward power. The island of Crete, with its rich history and mythology, invites reflection on the Stoic concept of cosmopolitanism, the belief that we are all citizens of the world. Here, where the Minoan civilization thrived, remember that the Stoics urged us to see ourselves as part of the greater whole, with obligations to all humanity. As you walk through the ancient ruins, think of Marcus Aurelius's words, "What injures the hive injures the bee," and consider your role in the interconnected web of life. No journey to Greece is complete without visiting Santorini, where the brilliant sunsets are a Stoic metaphor for the cycles of life. Just as the sun sets each day, so too must we accept the natural end of all things. The volcanic island, born from fire, reminds us of the Stoic teaching that change is constant. The beauty of Santorini lies not just in its present splendor, but in its ability to transform and adapt, a reflection of the Stoic call to a more fatty, the love of one's fate. As you conclude your voyage, pause to reflect at Cape Saunion, where the ancient temple of Poseidon stands proudly against the sea. Here, the Stoic idea of sympathia, the unity of all things in the cosmos, comes to life. As you gaze at the vastness of the Aegean Sea, consider how small we are in the grand design of the universe, yet how significant our choices are in shaping our own inner world. Greece offers not just a travel experience, but a journey inward. As the Stoic philosopher Seneca once said, "Travel and change of place impart new vigor to the mind." Let your time in Greece rejuvenate your pursuit of wisdom, And remember that the true Stoic voyage is the one that leads to self-discovery and virtue. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Greece, where the ancient landscapes inspire timeless lessons. May you leave with a clearer sense of your place in the world and the resilience to face whatever comes your way. As the Greeks say, "Kalo taxides, safe travels."